to Wildlife Road.
So turning to Wildlife Road. Not sure how many wildlife we'll spot. The road is beautiful, with some houses, with some RVs, and with lots of beauties. And I'll not be surprised if I spot deer. If we get lucky, we might see bear. And
In 500 feet, turn right onto Dallas Pike.
doesn't seem like we are going to catch much today, but
Now
I'm sure in the
turn right
nighttime,
onto Dallas Pike.
in the nighttime, you'll see a lot of wildlife. Then it gets quiet. It's already quiet, but in the night, even it gets further quiet. There's not much happening here because we're in the countryside of USA.